What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube video. Today I'm playing Arena Breakout Pistol Challenge only. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Enjoy the video, guys. So we're gonna be going right here to the stables. Yeah. Oh, bro, you guys need to like cover me because like I got no.
Understood.
No, let me get it, bro. Let me, I got nothing, bro. Bro, please, my guy, please. Why is he not letting me loot him? Okay, thank you for being sincerely grateful. Wait, is that great? No, I'm grateful. I'm sincerely grateful. Thank you. Loot. Why is he not letting me loot, bro? Fucking hell, this guy took my item. You know, some people are actually like really greedy, like dead ass, like. Fuck you guys.
You want him to do?
Oh, it's a bedroom. So like at least we got a better gun. I think I can extract now. Should I extract or what? Guys, give me an extract. But if I extract, I might get a better gun because like we still got a whole 30 minutes and the extract plane is like really full. I mean, let's go to the motel at least, check it out and like see what the motel gotta offer us. But like, I should post.
What?
Like, just let me know. Where are we going?
Understood.
I'm gonna steal the kill because I got nothing. No way he killed him. No way. I highly doubt he did. I saw footsteps here. Ah, he got a sniper rifle. That's a mass gun. Buddy, where are you?
Understood. Need backup. Understood. Attack!
We just understood. I don't think we understood. I hear my. No. My game is so laggy. My game. Shit, bro. My game is like data so laggy. Like I'm like 60 fucking ping.
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh my day, this guy fucking. No, let me get the loot, bro. Let me get the fucking. This guy. This guy like does nothing and like he wants everything. He be doing nothing and he wants everything. He'd be like, buddy, what the hell is wrong with you? Just let me get the shit, bro. Like, come on, bro. Let's search this guy, bro.
Retreat.
Screw it, I'm taking everything.
Understood. Help me.
He needs backup. I didn't even realize. Yeah, now look at you. You see what greediness gets you?
Not again! Brother, this guy stinks!
Buddy, if you die one more time. Buddy, I'll tell you, if you die one more time. Fuck you. Fuck your haircut. You piece of shit like that. This guy he's like, I can't even speak, bro. Alright, let's go. Shh.
Follow me. Attack!
Shh.
Understood.
Shh. Okay, stay still, buddy. Stay still. Stay still, buddy. Buddy, stay still. Stay still. Relax. Relax. You see, everybody needs me. Even though I got a pistol, I may be the better yes in life, you know. Somebody may not have everything, but they got the heart. You see, I got the heart, bro. That's motivation. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. Bro, I confirm. Bro, I want this. Oh, I gotta search it first. Oh, shit, my bad. Okay, so I want this. What do you mean I can't have what I want, bro? What the hell? Okay, shit, what else do I need? I need this bulletproof, but you ain't letting me take the bulletproof. Alright, let's go, bro. I'm like solo, and I got no meds. Oh my days, speaking of meds, I got some meds right here. So like, what we got here? Let me see. We got a syringe. We got a medkit. We got that. No space. What do you mean no space? There's space right there. There is space, brother. There is space right there. Brother, I can hear some shots. Brother, stay still. I can hear some shots being fired, bro. Thought that was ahead. For the amount of lag I got right now, I don't even know, bro. Like I'm logging. Bro, I want fucking medicine. Give me fucking soup. Bro, I wanna fast forward until I get meds. You know, I wanna see you guys when I recover my health. Cause bro, I need me some meds. How do you guys feel about games like fuck? Buddy. I'm sorry. Buddy, I'm sorry.
I hear something. Need a hand here.
Shit, bro. My internet's gonna kill me. Not even the NPC. My internet's gonna kill me. My internet's gonna kill me, bro. My internet. Oh shit, bro. My internet's gonna kill me, bro. I think my neighbor is using my internet. I think my neighbor is using my internet. Cause like, did you see that guy? I literally sprayed him. Stick out your head, buddy. Stick out. Pick. There too. There's a guy there. There's a guy there. Good. Okay, these are my kills. It's like what we got here. We got bandages. Okay, we got what about that? We can't even use what you got. I think I can use the beans. Ugh, I hate beans. I hate beans like in general. I find beans disgusting. I'm not sure what pistol's better, so I'm gonna just skip my Glock. My G17 actually. Couldn't even afford a Glock, you know. No. Couldn't even afford a Glock. Couldn't even afford a Glock. It's like that's how broke I am, you know. I was like, Glock, too expensive. Alright, let's continue the mission, guy. Why is he limping?
Understood. Understood.
Bro, what's your mock location, bro?
Understood.
Can you stick to one location? Spotted. Now all I got is a sniper. No, buddy, you got so much loot. Like, let me get something, bro, please. Okay, so fucking hell. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. It's basically the same thing.
Understood.
I need loot. I need loot. Oh, I'm lagging. You know, like, y'all should like subscribe so I can like afford to get better Wi-Fi, because like, telling you, my Wi-Fi is like so ass. I feel like my neighbor, I feel like McDonald's got better Wi-Fi than me, you know. It's like, bro, my Wi-Fi is so ass. Like you Google Bud Wi-Fi, you're gonna see pictures of my Wi-Fi. You're gonna see right there, Brimwick's Wi-Fi. It's gonna be the worst. I'm telling you. You Google, just Google right now. That's even bet, you know. If it doesn't happen, shit, let's not bet. Cause like, let's just not bet. But you gotta believe, you know. Why is it all the time gonna bet? You know, you should think about that in life. You know, why is it all you gonna bet, bro? How about you just believe? You know, it's all the time money.
Understood.
Could you like set your down markers and make up your mind where we going and where we not going? I'm extracting. I ain't gonna lie. I'm extracting. I need these guns. They're pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Let's just extract. Damn, so I feel like so ass now. I might need this med kit. Yeah, I might need this med kit.
I need to fix a broken limb.
Shut the fuck up, bro. I'm extracting.
Understood.
I'm extracting, buddy. 12 meters, 11, 10, 6, 5. Bye bye, guys. I'm extracting.